Samein Pechak Nazm Nazmi hund unwan chu Taale karam Shair chhe Mish'al Sultanpoori Taale karam Rikh keh sez keh haj keh var haj Trawan rudus kakad varkas sed dol vureb tsikr Dushni khowr kun khowri duchun kun Heri bun hur hor kan yokun yor kan hokun Keh adphuchi keh pur salim Keh nichi keh baji Zevji keh panadavan hanz hishi Keh vech zan raz chakrevit Kath kya mani kath mani Kath rut mani kath yach mani Kam cha bemani kam thavak kam nahnavak Meng dag tujham Sez hai thavan haj cha süüt Kus preznavan kus rıtsravan Khur döja khız kya kar pano Nam süüt zil rabrov gٲlit pıtrov vٲlit Akh nahnavan beakh bachavan Puts pare găy kakad varkas Poz yim sez haj rıkh mojud. Now the English translation of this poem Fate and Destiny by Mish'al Sultanpoori, translated from the Kashmiri by Shabir Magami. Fate and Destiny. Lines, some straight, some crooked, and some twisted. I kept drawing on a sheet of paper, straight and bent and spiral, right to left and left to right, horizontal and vertical, here, there, and everywhere. Poorly drawn lines, some unfinished and some complete, some big and some small, some thin thread-like, some thick like twined ropes. Which lines mean what? And how many of them have meaning? Which mean the best and which mean the worst? And which are meaningless? Which to keep and which to erase? Head feels like bursting. If I keep the straight line, it has a crooked line entwined with it. Lost and confused, and thinking what to do. Nails on the paper, scratching, applying the eraser, pruning and chiseling, erasing one and keeping another. The sheet of paper is torn and shredded, but the lines, straight and crooked, remain the same and are still there. Thank you very much.